Hi guys, I'm back again. This is how to reset service reminder of Isuzu D-Max 2024 model. First, ignition on. There's an engine oil service required. First, go to settings. Just click this button side by side. Go to settings and then press center button, and then down this button, go to maintenance, and then press the center button, and then press again oil, engine oil to 15 kilometers, 1 year. Just press center button, confirm. Okay, that's the 15,000 kilometers service, 1 year. Okay, goods. Thank you.